Hi again, students. So today we're working on exercise 48 in chapter 13. This is the first exercise where you're asked to create a graph based on this domain and range that you're given. Seems simple enough. You're asked to do three different ones though, F1, F2, F3, and in all of these, the domain of F, just as the instructions say, domain of F needs to equal the range of F. So one easy way to do this, of course, is to simply put dots at here, and oops, and that's not quite in the right spot. There we go, like that. I need to turn these into endpoints though, so I hit endpoint E included, like so, on each of those. Use your stylus pen, by the way, it makes this much easier. So, and yeah, that's an easy one there. But they ask you to do three, so if I just flip it in the other direction, make it slope upwards, that would work too. But my third and final one here, I'm going to need to do something else. So one way to do that, of course, is to create something that's a little more, well, shall we say jagged. So, and on these, again, notice if I hit, by default it comes in as a curve, but when I tap on one of these dots and hit that polygonal line, that last option there, now it will work when I go to submit this. Right now I'm making endpoint E included on my endpoints of the graph. And yeah, if I create F3 like this, something like this, that's not a correct graph, by the way. I hope you can see that my blue is going to be marked as wrong. But one thing I wanted to point out, if you fail to create, here we go, I got to hit over to F2. If you fail to change it from a curve into a polygonal line, it's going to give you a warning when you go to submit. I'm going to tap submit down here. There it goes, and it tells me the range of F2 is incorrect. It tells me exactly what it's reading, but that's not what I want. So let me get this. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. There we go. Now it's on the changed it. Make it say polygonal line. Now I can just drag it to where I want. Good. And again, I would want to get F3 fixed. I'll leave it to you to figure out what we can do for our third line. And whoops, notice my green one, I accidentally just made a dot go away. So I'm going to put another dot in here. There we go. So again, your red, green, and blue graphs, you want to have endpoints included, and you want to make sure left to right, that's the domain, all the values from -2 to 2 are covered, and vertically, the range, all the values from down to -2 to +2 are covered by both of them. I hope you found this very helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again later.